Hey, what is up, guys? Luke here today again, bringing you another Rubik's Cube video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to solve a 5x5. So, before we get into this, you need to know how to solve 3x3, of course, a 4x4 with the parity algorithm for the cross. I'll show you guys that in just a minute when we come to that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first step of this is to solve the centers. So this is what the centers look on the 4x4. If you have not seen my 4x4 tutorial, I'll put that at the end of the video. You should go check it out. So that's why you should subscribe. But let's put that out of the way. So let's start with this. So it's going to mix it up a little more. It's not super mixed up, but I want it to be mixed up. Okay, this is good. So we start out with the white. Here's the white center. Now this, it actually has one center that stays in the correct spot the whole time. So that'll be good. So we're gonna just bring this up, bring this over to make this like a straight row. In common sense, if you've known this one before, you can do that. Now these two are here, so I'm gonna bring these up because we want to bring a piece over into here because we can't do it like this. It'll move that. So here's a piece. Bring it up to here, we can move it. And right here we cannot move it in, so let's just try over here. Yes. Okay, let's bring these up out of the way. One's on the bottom. So remove this so we can just move it out without damaging anything. Now this here, we will move it in this spot here, and then right here, we'll just put that in. So if you know how to do that, white center is pretty simple. So that's that. Let's flip it over to the yellow side. So it's kind of like this where, let's say I had like yellow, you have to bring it up out of the range of motion and back down to do that. So this piece, I'll bring it up because this is where it goes, out of the range of motion, back down. There's two here. Let's see a piece. Oh no, this one's already solved. So like this. So up, out of the range of motion, and back. Last one, so these two, let's just turn these, put this over to here, and this over into here. Now, we don't want this, because if we do up, over, bring it out of the way, blah, 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 we'll do it, so you have to hold it like this. Now, we bring up, out of the range of motion, and back down. So, this and this are done. So, let's flip it over to the white side, facing the top. Now, blue. Now, the blue one's easy, you can put it together just like a regular cube. Let's see, let's bring that out of the way, put this in. It's not much of a tutorial for the centers really, because you have to know how to solve 2x3 and 4x4. Out of the way. Okay, that's pretty simple. Now this orange is next to it, so we look for other pieces which are right here. So this is right here, so it's kind of, we do the same thing. So let's just line this up. We bring this over. Now this messes up the blue, so then we bring this out of the range of motion, either once or twice, depends on, and back. Now we have these. This piece goes here, so let's turn it, because we know it goes in here like this. But how we do that, we do this. So it messes up this, both, so we bring it out of the range of motion, bring this back. So then we're left with this, which we, just like the yellow, we can't do this, or then it'll do the same. So you have to line it up down here, and then do what we learned. Okay, so this, we know this goes here, so, like that. So we do this, out of the range of motion, back. Now, this is perfect. This piece here. So we want to put this one piece in by doing that. Now we have these two pieces left. So we go like this. We want it right here, because we usually want it right here, but in order to get that we have to do this. So do this, this, this. And let me repeat that again. Just bring this over, like to make it like this. Bring it up and back, so then we can put it up here, then we match this up, bring it back out, and then bring it back, And we have all the centers done. I'm going pretty briefly because this is like a 4x4, so now let's move on to the edges. Okay, so the next step is solving the edges like this. All the edges are solved in 4x4. You should know how to do that. This is where the parity algorithm comes in. So let's start by just putting two edges together like we already know how to do. Let's just start with the white ones. Where's another blue piece? Right here. But this doesn't match up, so as we know, we bring it over, up, over twice, and then down. Now they match up right. So we bring this up. We move it out of the range of motion. We replace it with garbage that's not needed, and then we put it back. And these two. Now where's the other blue piece? Right here. Now this doesn't work. So we do the up, over, down algorithm, and then we put it in, place it with the garbage, put it back. Okay, let's just do red. Here's the red. When you go like this though, you regularly do, remember, put it up, and then move it out of the range of motion, bring it back. These two reds are there, and where's the other one? Red. Okay, let's put in, replace it with garbage. And yeah, so we basically keep on going. And then I'm going to cut this part out until I get to the last two centers. So yeah, or one. Okay, so I have two edges left. So we're going to have to mess up some edges. It's okay. So let's put this up. Out of range of motion. We have to mess up this edge. Now let's see here. Now we're going to solve this edge and use this garbage, and then we have it like this, where it's only this, right? Yep. So this is where the parity algorithm comes in. So if you're solving a 4x4 and you came along, and let's say this is what happens in the cross. So you go double up, back, over, down, down, over, up, over, front face, up, and yeah, you get the cross. It's only for the other side. We need to do that. So we hold like this up at the top, double up, back, over, down, down, over, up, over twice, up, up, over, and then down, back, and all the edges are solved. So now we can go ahead and solve it like a regular 3x3. Warning, I did tell you guys, you know, I solve 3x3, you can check out that video too. So yeah, I don't really need to explain this part. Make the cross, then we put the corners in. So yeah, if you don't know how to solve 3x3, well then, too bad. Now this here, remember, out of the way, down, over, up, this one, down, over. And then we put the edges in, just like regular. But yeah, there's like, once you got that part, it's like solving a 3x3. Do that. My 3x3 tutorial is a very long video. It's like 13 minutes or something. It's a very long video on just how to do a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So around that. Now the last layer, we kind of want to be careful. So you guys want to go, I'll go slower on this part because you don't want to mess up. So the algorithm is the up, wait, up, over, down, over. We get this, up, over, down, over. How like this? We have to hold it like this. So up, over, down, over. Now I put in the corners. This is facing up, so it's up, over, down, over, down. There's no parodies, but putting in the corners, pretty simple. So we hold this in the back, pull it in the back, then the down, over, down, back, up, over, down, back, double up. Then we have it like this, hold this in the back, and we solve the 5 by 5. So there you guys go. It is solved. So that's pretty much the end of the video. Thanks for watching. These are the next Rubik's Cube videos that are probably going to be coming out. I want to get a little better at 4x4 drawings, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you later. Peace.